Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to download and install Capcut. For this, first, you want to open Chrome. So, click on Chrome. After taking from, it will start soup in front of you. Once it's open, go to the search bar of your browser and type right here download Capcut. After typing, just hit the entry button, and a new format will start to open in front of you. Once it's open, here you can see there are a lot of options available here, but we want to scroll down. After scrolling down, you will see a button of Capcut download. Make sure your work shines. After finding this, just click on it. After clicking, a new format will start to open in front of you. You must open it here. We will see how we can download Capcut. For this, add your cursor over the download button, and then these two options will appear in front of you. The first one is for MacBook or Windows, and the second one is for download for mobiles. Have you clicked on download for Windows and click on it? After clicking, a new tab will start to open for you. Once it's open, open will appear right here, and Capcut has been downloaded. It will take, I think, 2 to 3 minutes, but now, our cap has been downloaded. So click on that button. After clicking, a new format will open in front of you. Here you can see, this is a file we can easily install Capcut to our laptop because this is the privacy of Windows, and then downloading will start. I think it can be 10 to 20 minutes or less, it depends on your PC. Learn to that kind of format. It's open to you, just click on New Project. After clicking, a new project will start to open in front of you. Here you can see, this is a format of Capcut, and we can easily export and import videos and easily edit videos. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.